Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about cooking. Let's get started. How often do you cook? How often do you cook? Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? How good are you at cooking? How good are you at cooking?
I cook every evening. I cook every evening. I've always wanted to be a chef. I've always wanted to be a chef. Cooking is like therapy to me. Cooking is like therapy to me. I love cooking. It's relaxing and fun. I love cooking. It's relaxing and fun.
What is your favorite dish to make? What is your favorite dish to make?
I love making macaroni and cheese. I love making macaroni and cheese.
Why is macaroni and cheese your favorite? Why is macaroni and cheese your favorite?
I make it with different kinds of cheese, and different sauces sometimes. I make it with different kinds of cheese, and different sauces sometimes. It's so good. It's so good.
Well, I guess I will take that recipe from you. Well, I guess I will take that recipe from you. Does your father cook? Does your father cook?
He doesn't know anything about cooking. He doesn't know anything about cooking. But my mother is great at cooking. But my mother is great at cooking.
Have you tried cooking food from another culture? Have you tried cooking food from another culture?
Yes, I have. I cook food from lots of different cultures. Yes, I have. I cook food from lots of different cultures.
Do you prefer cooking at home, or eating out at a restaurant? Do you prefer cooking at home, or eating out at a restaurant?
I prefer cooking at home. I prefer cooking at home. I eat out sometimes as well. I eat out sometimes as well.